Okay, for those who wants to partake in this Beecoin and Zkpassport airdrop ongoing, and you don't own a Zksync or ZNS domain name yet, no need to be sad. There's still time for you to join. So how do you go about it? So since I've connected my wallet, so the best thing is to disconnect it so that you can see the register sign. Let me start over from, let me refresh it. So it's refreshed. So since my wallet is not connected, so you don't have the Zksync domain. So I do have, if I connect my wallet, you'll see it. So but if you want to join in, how to mint or to get a Zksync or ZNS domain name, you click on register. Make sure you have you've bridged your coin to Zksync from Ethereum. So here you have it. You can see different names. Yeah, so these are the new domain name being created. You can see them. They are new, all new. So the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. Okay, MetaMask. Yeah, it might take a little bit time to connect, but it will eventually connect. Okay, here we go. Connect. So it's connected already. So if I search for my name here, Yungchief. Okay, you can see that I said the name is already registered. That's yungchief.zksync. So let's assume your name is Harland. Let's see if the name is registered. Harland is already registered. And let's say your name is Victor Osime. Okay. They said the name is available. So Victor Osime.zksync lifetime ownership 0.0023 Ethereum. That's what is needed. So you can do the calculation yourself if you want to. So the next thing you need to click on register. You can see I don't have enough, so you can do the calculation, know how much that is. So if assuming I do, so the moment I click on register, they're going to take me directly to my wallet, and I have to approve all the transaction. And once I do that, that means I already minted the Zksync domain name. So it's quite easy. Then once you're done with this step, then you can go back to the Bitcoin. Check my other video. I'll also drop the description, the link to that video on that particular on the airdrop on the description of this particular one. All right, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video.